Oh my god, it's the time for milk again. He's hungry.
Always rushing for you to make it real fast.
Mixing the hot and the cold. It's too hot. Oh my god. Try again. Ah, it's too cold. Smart water kettle and UV sterilizer try.
Besides water control and auto upcoming just right. It's convenient to easy wash and store it all together. With large capacity fitting estimates 6 bottles, offering higher efficient silent sterilizing and drying. Silent storage UV auto antibacterial milk sterilized every 3 hours. Adjusting the temperature with plus minus 1 degree Celsius. And capacity with plus minus of 10 ml. And no, there's not like a smell to help you at night with child lock too.